Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. As a music producer, I spend many hours every single day sitting in front of my computer, composing, arranging, editing, and mixing music. When you spend that much time at your desk, having a comfortable and supportive chair becomes extremely important. For the past 2 weeks, I have been testing the ProtoArc EC200 Ergonomic chair here in my studio during real working sessions, and today I want to share my experience. The EC200 uses a high-density foam cushion and it feels surprisingly comfortable for a chair in this price range. Even during long editing or mixing sessions, the cushion remains supportive and does not flatten out too quickly. The chair includes a 3D multi-dimensional headrest that can adjust in height, depth, and rotation. This allows you to position it exactly where your neck needs support. Next is the adjustable lumbar support, which can move both up and down, as well as forward and backward. I personally set it slightly higher to support my lower back while sitting at my workstation. Another nice feature is the sliding seat depth adjustment, which allows you to move the seat forward or backward depending on your leg length. These adjustments help you dial in a comfortable ergonomic position, especially when working long hours. In my daily workflow, editing tracks, mixing sessions, and working inside my DAW, the chair felt stable and supportive throughout the day. After extended use, I noticed that it helped maintain better posture compared to my previous chair. The chair is designed to fit users roughly between 5.4 inches and 6.3 inches with a maximum weight capacity of 280 pounds, so it should work for a wide range of people. Right now, the ProtoArc EC200 is priced at $189 discounted from $219, making it a very affordable ergonomic chair considering the adjustability and comfort it offers. If you are someone who spends long hours at the computer, whether producing music, editing videos, gaming, or doing office work, this chair is definitely worth checking out. This is all about this review. If you want to learn more about this product, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews here on HelloVSTV. Until next time.